Okay, this is my second video about additions and mods to my 2021 Yamaha Wolverine X2. I know the second video was going to be about the windshield, but since these vehicles are still pretty new, the company I bought the windshield from won't be shipping the new windshield for this particular model for another week or two. So our second video is going to be a quick one about the trailer hitch that I'm adding. This is a hitch I used on my last ATV. It's really a great hitch for doing work around the property. It has a 1 7/8 ball on it, which fits most of our trailers, the smaller ones. It has the opening here so that you can do like garden tractor equipment that you might pull behind a garden tractor. So it gives you that hitch, and it also has the spindle here, a pole, so that you can attach hooks, ropes, whatever you want to it. It's really been good. Then the other thing, which again is off the other one, if you've never seen one of these, they're great. You can buy them on Amazon or eBay, and what they do is they go on to trailer hitches to take up all the slack and play in a trailer hitch. So I found that they work great on my trucks, side-by-sides, ATVs. All you do is slide it on. Okay, so we're going to go over here and we're going to slide this in. Okay, and we're going to put the pin in. Where are we on the hole here? Let's see. Doing it one-handed is always a challenge. Okay, we're going to go over here and we're going to put the pin in. Okay, so now that that's in, what you want to do is you slide this piece here down until it's up against the hitch, and then what you want to do is you want to tighten up the nuts on the bottom, and that will tighten up the hitch so it has no slack. Let's see if I can do this one-handed, which I may be able to. Start to get it a little tighter. See what we get here. And you want to try and do it evenly on both sides. So we're going to move over here now. See how we're doing. Alright, we want to do a little more on this side. Get it even. Alright, we're just about... Here we go, it's starting in to tighten up. Alright, so I'm going to put the camera down for 1 second, and I'm just going to get the position where it'll be a little snug, and then I can continue and show you what's happening. Okay, there we go. Alright, so once it's like that and you get nice and tight, go onto this side. Now, there's absolutely, when you're pulling on it, there's no play. It's nice and solid. It gives you a really nice fit. No more sloppy. I will put a link to that particular hitch. I think they're $25 or $30 on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description, as well as a link to the hitch stabilizer plate. So I'll give you links to both of those. And I'm not going to tell you what the next add or modification will be, because like I said, shipping times, I found that a lot of the companies, since these just came out, I guess last, I think August, September, October, somewhere around there, and they've been in limited availability. So a lot of your manufacturers that are making aftermarket parts haven't got them fixed and are not shipping yet. So I'm waiting on quite a few things. So whichever comes in first, that'll be the next video. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.